This, my fellows, my friends, my dogs.
No, stop.
This is how you boil eggs.
Yeah.
First of all, you got to get a Rachel Ray pot. If it ain't Rachel Ray, you ain't hitting on nothing. You put some water in that joker. Look, buy you ain't much. Not a lot.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to boil eggs, man. Alright, now you gotta take your stove and you gotta turn that to high. And then from here, you wanna take...
Just as many eggs as you want to boil.
We're gonna put about 6. So, uno, dos... Oh!
We dropped an egg! We lost an egg.
See, that's what you don't want to do.
Yeah, so we lost an egg. Oh no.
You definitely don't want to do that.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. Come on, let's go back. How do you make...
And...
Mother finger! We dropped an egg. We dropped an egg on the floor.
You dropped it.
No, Daddy dropped the egg.
What happened?
Anywho.
There's a mess that...
You want to know?
Alright.
Yeah, don't do that.
I kind of showed your face. Is that okay?
Yeah, I don't care.
Well, actually, it's not my phone.
Alright, so that's what you don't do.
Yeah, that's what you don't do. Number 1 rule, don't drop an egg.
Because then you gotta clean it up. But that's done. So,
Next.
yeah, we got the eggs in there. Actually, we gotta add a little. Just a little scooch. Alright. And now I don't know what else we do.
No.
Yeah, it's pretty much, it's a free-for-all now.
You want to be in the video? You want Mr. Baldy in? You want Mr. Baldy on one of your videos?
Mr. Baldy?
Yeah, he's not
Great.
bald anymore, but she calls him Baldy.
The beach. Alright.
Alright, so
You have to put the lid.
we got these here eggs on the stove. We got this little lizard right here. And we're gonna put that on there. Alright, bet. Y'all see that? Alright. And we're gonna put that on there for
Oh, yeah, sorry, guys. Ah!
whoa.
I'm trying to put everybody in the position.
And then now we gotta wait. So
For 11 minutes.
you might wanna pause.
Yeah. So wait 11 minutes and yeah.
No, we
Tell that again. I paused it right when you said that.
gotta wait till it starts boiling and then go 11 minutes. After once it starts boiling, we boil them for 11 minutes and then we shut them down.
Alright.
So we're still waiting on it to boil. It's getting there. It's close. Really close.
Yep.
So we can almost start counting, but not just yet.
You sound like a special professional chef when you're not really a chef.
No, I'm not a chef. Alright, we're boiling. So now we gotta go 11 minutes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come over here to our
Microwave?
timer.
Our microwave.
11. So now we got our timer set for 11 minutes.
Yep.
And then now we just wait 11 minutes.
So, alright, we'll get back to you when it's been 11 minutes. Bye. Go. Start talking.
Alright.
Wait, what happened to the eggs?
We got misinformed. Don't cook any eggs.
What are you doing to the eggs?
We gotta cool them off so we can try to peel them.
Ow. I'm about to say. Anyways.
So take cold water. Dump the hot water out. Put them somewhere. Take cold water.
I know.
And,
So good. Yeah.
don't say which street you're on.
I never
You
said
don't
which
say
street I'm on.
what town you're in.
I never said which street you're telling I'm in. I just said I'm at my friend's house. That's all I said.
Well, I can't hear because your dog being so loud. Figure out, I mean, I know where you're at. I know. I really hate, Oh, that's good.
The store.
You better quit. I'm telling you now.
I'm just going to because I know y'all can't see. Did you fart?
Nope.
Okay. Try the eggs.
Yeah, definitely probably.
Dog, this game's smelly.
Shit. I'm gonna start overcooking them.
How are they?
Easy as hell to peel. Way easier than normal.
Yeah, we're just
We should cook them like overcook them next time.
What?
We should overcook them every time.
No, you might not overcook it. You have to, like I
No.
said, you let it get to a hard boil, like with a rolling boil with the water, and then you take it like, well, I mean with a gas stove, you just turn the fire off and let it sit there for 12 minutes.
It should just peel right off from me. I ain't used to this.
That's why.
Normally you give me eggs and I gotta
That
sit
is
there.
not true, TJ. I've learned how to boil eggs.
I don't know, I'm just joking with you, man. Come on, man, take a joke.
Learn to make one.
You need like if you don't have them in cold water, they're gonna
Cold
keep
water?
cooking them towards.
Oh no, I soaked them in cold water. Like I said, look, they feel like a dream.
Told you if you would just do the way I do it, they come out perfect.
Wow, that's what I was asking, how you do it.
I told you.
I know.
Is it done?
But I told you how to do it with you leaving it boiling for a while. That's not how you do it if you're watching it.
Well,
The way you do it, I mean, there's no point in me telling you this because you're not going to remember this now. But the way you do it.
One egg is going down the drain.
But the way you do it
I say
is.
hard boil them for 5 minutes.
No. That's not.
Well, it feels a lot easier than
Okay, the correct way to do it, and it'll still peel easy, is once the water goes to a rolling boil, like a hard boil, you put the lid on, or you keep the lid on depending on how much you're watching it. And then you shut the fire off, and because we have electric, you move it off the burner, and you let it sit for 11 minutes.
We let it for 7.
And then after the 11 minutes, you dump a whole bunch of ice to stop the cooking process. And you peel, and they peel like that.
Oh,
So this is what your
The
boiled
way you
eggs.
did it tonight was different because of...
I didn't know.
Well, the reason you did it different tonight was because you had let it boil for a few minutes.
Right.
I had to guesstimate what.
Alright, and that's how you do boiled eggs. So, from here on, all you gotta do is like, subscribe, do whatever you want. But it'd be nice if you liked and subscribed.
I want my first YouTube plug. Oops,
Yeah.
that thing broke. Anyways,
Like, subscribe, and
yeah,
come back next time.
yeah. Bye.